All right. Hey everyone. You're seeing my lovely screen right now, and any screaming baby or TV you hear in the background is my daughter. Well, I promised I was going to do a video on how I do my cloning for Missy and Krissy. So it's going to be a short video, but here we go. I use Corel Video Studio Pro X10. So I already have it open, so I'm going to click it open. I chose this file right here. So what you're going to do, there's two ways. You could either cut it by just going up to the point you want and then cutting it, but first you're going to get your sections. So just for fighter's sake, I'm just going to stroll all the way down until I see me right here over here. All right, so let's go see this. This is literally a very easy process, which kind of blew my mind when I learned it, not even gonna lie. So, all right, this is gonna take 20 years. Oh my God, here we go. I'm moving. Poof. See me there? Split. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, drag it down to the second track, okay? Because you want, essentially, when you're putting two clips together, you're merging them. You're merging them where they're where they're sharing the same space, you know? So you're going to click up here and you're going to right click and you're going to get fit to screen. Ah, where'd it go? Okay, hold on. It got me mad. Fit to screen. There we go. All right. Now we're going to shorten this because this isn't a video I'm actually using. This is just for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to delete this. But normally when you're doing it, you're going to make sure that your clips are the same size. So therefore you don't run into problems. So now you're going to double check. We got this one on, what's going on here? Let's blank this out. We got this one over here, apparently, and this one over here. So all in all, they're on separate sides. You get the idea. All right, let's go. You're going to go into Effects. Click FX. And don't ask me what happened to my thing. I really don't know how to fix it. I'll figure that out later, all right? So you're going to look for Boris. Boris FX. Click on that. I'm going to be getting a desktop soon because my laptop is slow. Sorry about that. So you're going to click with the left clicker and then you're going to drop. Now, wait till it finishes loading and then you're going to stay on the same one. Double left click. And then you're going to click on Customize Filter right over here. You see where I am? All right. Customize Filter. Now make sure you don't double click because you'll click on something over here and that will just ruin it. So we're going to go to advanced mode. Wait a second while it's thinking. Oh, here we go. See this where it says text and background right here? We don't need the text. So we're going to right click delete track. And then we're going to click right here, this little area. It's called the spline tool. You're going to move this down a little bit, because you want to have the gray area around. So what you're doing right here is you're going to be splitting the clip. So you got to think of it as layers. One layer, two layers. So you're going to split the clip exactly in the middle and make sure there's no overlapping, okay? Then you're going to completely cover right there. Click apply. And then you're going to go into Mask and Chroma. Click on that. Click on Apply Overlay Options. Click on the eyedropper thingy. Click. Oh, I screwed up. Let's rewind a little bit, guys, all right? So if you screw up and you pick the wrong side, this is what happens. Perfectly what happens. Oh, wow. So let's go back into... We're going to go back into the mask. So we're going to click out, double click again here, if it'll let me think. Go back into Customize Filter, back into Advanced Mode. Then you're going to come to the edge, They're going to click. Make sure you're wide enough here. And then you're going to take the edges right here. Bring it to the other side. And just go whoop. Right there. Poof. Ready. Okay? Click apply. Then voila. You see this? Obviously, you see the line in the background. Now, the whole reason for that is when you're doing a video like this, if the camera is moved, it creates that line. So when you're doing split editing, you want to make sure the camera is 100% stationary. So that's really about it. And we're going to click play just to watch this. And honestly, I have no idea how this is going to look, guys. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Click HD, click play, and let's go. Good. Good.
You really think so?
Sweetie, I know
so
I'm
much
not
in my
normally
life
nice.
I haven't
I'm not
thought
going to
of.
start today. Voila.
So
It's
much.
not the perfect video.
It's not the way I'm
Thank
going
you,
to
cat.
I am legendary. I am a volcano.
Oh my god, what if I didn't feed the
No
cat?
volcano.
Oh my
It's gonna
god.
take me out.
I'm a horrible,
I don't know
horrible
about you.
pet owner. Oh my god, the fish! I didn't feed them either.
The white coat.
All right, and we're going to stop. So, with that being said, I hope this teaches you something. And if I'm a horrible tutorial person, let me know, because I'm not here for tutorials. I'm here for Missy and Krissy. But when I get a request, I'm going to do it. So as always, have a great day. And sorry you're not seeing my face today. I'm just still in the middle of my dreadlock processy. So anyways, have a great day. And I'll see you guys fresh on Monday.